It's bonfire night. Well, nearly bonfire night, and loads of fireworks have just been off, so I might have caught it a bit too late, but I'm going to video this video for a bit, and we're going to see if any more big fireworks come up. Like, there was a massive one over there earlier. Oh, big firework. I can hear loads of fireworks going off, but I can't see them, so, you know, the only place I can see them is over there, there, and over there. So, yeah. If I go really quiet, you might be able to hear some. Here you go. Some over there as well. You can see they were some of the big ones, and they have them on like every so often, so they come on and on and on. So you might be able to see some more later on, but maybe they've finished, but I'm not sure. We'll have to see later on, and yeah. So I'm going to stay on this video for a bit, and you're just going to stick around, and hope you enjoy the video, if there's any more fireworks, of course. So yeah. There might be some more, but I'm not sure, because they are going out now, so that might be the rest of them. I'm not sure, because there's another house over there what was doing them, so I don't know if they might do them as well. So that depends. So yeah, that depends, guys. So hopefully you'll be able to see some more, because there's actually quite good fireworks actually for my road as well. I'm just looking out the window and that. Yep, the lights have gone off and people are in there, so I think it might be over. Bit of a shame though, they were really good. I wish you could have seen more. We're still going to stick around here for a bit, and we're just going to stick around and see if there's going to be any more. I'm going to open my window, ready, like I did last time. Still there's some fireworks, but I don't know where they're going off. I think I'm going to break my window, so I'm just going to stop that now. This is my road. Can't really see, it's very dark. Right, I'm going to go play in a game, and I'm just going to leave the phone on the windowsill. So if there's any more fireworks, you'll be able to see them still. So yeah. Well, anyway guys, I'm going to tell you now, and hopefully I'll be able to video it on Monday, but on Monday I am going to hit After Dark. It is at Arena, and there will be really big fireworks there, so hopefully I'll be able to get a good shot of all them fireworks and get enough video on my phone, so I will be able to put this on where I'm going to put this one on. So hopefully you'll enjoy them. These aren't very good fireworks as much as they will be on Monday, so I will be updating a video on Monday of some really big fireworks that should be going on, because I don't think there's going to be any more going on around my place. I can still hear loads of fireworks going off, but I cannot see any. To video. So, sorry about that. But I will hang on for a few more minutes, and if nothing goes on, I'm going to end this video. So I'm going to say bye now, and hopefully there'll be more fireworks on. Oh, I saw a light then. But, ow, I don't think there's any fireworks in my sight to see that one, but I did see a light. Well, I bet I sound right weird on here because my voice sounds really young on video, as you can tell on some of my other YouTube clips on my singing ones and that. So yeah. Anyway, it's bonfire night coming up on Monday, and why don't you tell me what you are going to do on bonfire night if you are going to After Dark, because I know some people are going to After Dark, so tell me if you're going to After Dark, and hopefully you will enjoy that. And I will leave a video on After Dark fireworks, so maybe you don't want to go to After Dark, but you want to go see. I can hear some really big ones. I'm going to swap rooms and see if I can see them from behind. Oh, right. I don't know if you catch that one, but hopefully you did. But anyway, as I was saying, if you don't want to go to After Dark, or you're not allowed to go to After Dark, then you can catch up on my videos. You catch up on my videos, but we'll show you. Oh, firework. That was a firework then, but I don't know if I caught that in time. I don't know if I caught that on video. I don't know. But anyway, as I was saying, if you're not going to After Dark and you want to be going, then catch up on my video on Monday, or maybe Tuesday, because it might be a bit late to post it on Monday. Go on my channel, look on the video, and you'll see how amazing it was. I will post a video of that, hopefully anyway, if I don't forget. But I will try to post a video, and there will be big fireworks, so you will enjoy them unlike you will of today, because today fireworks are from home, so they're not as exciting. But hopefully you will enjoy them. Oh, there was a little firework over there, but I couldn't really get it, so I'm going to move this video. Move this window. I've got quite a lot of windows. It's moving around, trying to out in the window now, just like, yeah. Anyway, Hayley is not here at the moment today. She did a video with me the other day, and she's not here today to see these fireworks. But I bet she's got even better fireworks at her place, so catch up on my channel, or maybe she might have put something on there. Oh, there's a fireworks over there. Behind Ian. There's loads of fireworks coming off, so I'm going to run to the other window. They look big, but they look really small on the camera, so. Can I run to the other window again? Yeah, I think the big ones have done, to be honest, so. This video is 10 minutes long, nearly 11. So I am going to end it there, and hopefully there won't be any big fireworks when I end this clip. So, hope you've enjoyed this little video, but remember to come back on Monday and check it out. So. As I said, they look really small on video, but you know, I'm going to go now. See you later. I hope you watch my videos, and